everyone, welcome to another hair hack video. Now, take your hair, divide it into 4 parts. Tie both the parts with the help of a rubber band in the form of a ponytail. Divide it into 2 parts. Tie plaits, give it a heart shape, and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail first, which is in 2 parts. Now tie the lower section of the hair in the form of a bow. Take the lower part, tie both the parts in the form of a plait. Take your hair, tie it in the form of 2 ponytails from the upper part, divide it into 2, tie one part in the form of plaits, the other part in the form of bow, and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, divide into 2 parts, tie both the parts in the form of a plaits, and then you are done. Take your hair, divide it into 4 equal halves from the below, and then tie the upper part in the form of a bow, and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a 2 ponytail, roll it upwards, tie it in the form of a rubber band, tie the lower head again in the form of plaits. Take your hair, tie it in the form of plaits. Take the lower part of the hair and again tie it in the form of plaits. Roll it upwards just like this in the form of a Juda, and then you are done. Take your hair, divide it into 4 parts from the down and upper one part is left. Give it a star shape and then you are done. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then a plaited parts from the middle section, tie the lower part again, roll it upwards, and then you are done. Take your hair, divide it into 3 equal parts and tie all the 3 equal parts in the form of ponytail, leaving the edge section in the form of plaits, tie the lower part again. Take your hair, first divide it into 2 parts from the above and the below part into 4 parts. Tie all of them together so that they are interconnected. Roll the plaited parts. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a middle ponytail, the upper 2 ponytails and the lower 2 ponytails. Now keep taking hair from the small sections of all the ponytails and tie all of them together. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, give it a heart shape, then divide the lower part of the hair again in the form of a ponytail in consecutive parts. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a upper ponytail, then give it a heart shape by pulling it upwards. Take the lower part of the hair, attach all of them together. Take your hair, tie it in the form of 2 ponytails. Take the lower part, tie it in the form of 3 consecutive ponytails in the form of layers and then decorate it with your favorite clutchers. Take your hair, first divide it into upper 2 parts in the form of ponytail, giving it a cat-shaped look. Take your hair, divide it into 2 parts, tie it in the form of a simple plaits, roll it upwards and then secure it properly with the help of your clutcher. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a simple ponytail, roll it upwards, give it a circular look and then secure it tightly and properly. Thank you for watching.